Good day, everyone. I am Princess B. Stase from BSUOY 1C. Today, I will be demonstrating a beginner high-intensity interval training workout, also known as HIIT. High-intensity interval training is a type of exercise that alternates between short periods of intense activity and brief rest periods. HIIT helps improve cardiovascular endurance, burn calories efficiently, and save time while still being effective. This routine is beginner friendly and famous on safety and proper form. So, warm up 2 to 3 minutes. Before starting, we will do a warm up to prepare our muscles and prevent injuries. Arm circle, 30 seconds. March or jog in place. Three, four, five. So warm-ups help increase blood flow and get the body ready to exercise. So each IIT proper 3 to 5 minutes. For the main workout, each exercise will be performed for 30 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So first, squat, and second, push up, 3, high knees, and fourth, mountain climbers, and 5 is jumping jack. Remember to focus on proper form and step if you feel pain or dizziness. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, cool down to 1 to 2 minutes after exercising. It is important to cool down. And light stretching arms, legs, and back. And deep breathing exercise. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. This helps relax the muscles and slowly lower the heart rate. And each IIT is effective because it improves heart health, builds endurance, and um, burns calories in a short amount of time. However, safety is very important on exercise. And always wear proper workout attire, stay hydrated, and use a safe and open space, and perform each movement with correct form. Thank you for watching, and this concludes my beginner HIIT workout demonstration. Thank you. Bye.